Welcome back, everyone. Special welcome to you new viewers. You guys should become subscribers, and of course subscribers, thanks for checking back. Today we're kind of honoring St. Patrick's Day, and we're doing a mashup in the United States. St. Patrick's Day, we celebrate with corned beef. So today we're going to jump right in and make what I'm calling an Irish soft taco, or an Irish Reuben taco, however you want to take that. In my pan on medium heat, I have about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This happens to be Irish butter, but whatever butter you want, or if you don't want the butter, you can use oil, olive oil, whatever. This is 1/2 of a red cabbage. Butter's already melted. You can see it's bubbling a little bit. So I'm going to put this right in, and I'll saute it for about 3 or 4 minutes, as is, and then I'm going to top it with some water. So 3 to 4 minutes, just getting it loosened up a little bit, and then we'll add about 1/4 cup of water. It's been a couple minutes, 1/4 cup of water, as I said, and you can see it's already getting a nice dark color. So we're going to go about 5 minutes just to soften this up. Cabbage has been going with the water and steaming up and getting nice and soft, so we're going to add in some potatoes O'Brien. That's basically potatoes, onions, and peppers. This is a 1 pound, 12-ounce bag, and I'm going about half in on this. Going to mix this up, combine it, and potatoes O'Brien, the frozen kind, take between 7 and 10 minutes. So I'm going to let this go for 10 minutes to get it good and softened. The potatoes have now cooked down. Mind you, this is not going to be a crispy like fried potato. It's soft, and we wanted that to make because it's going to go into a taco. This is good old-fashioned corned beef, lunch meat style. You could certainly use actual corned beef and slice it down yourself. And all I've done is taken about a pound and shredded it down into nice little strips so that it'll fit into our tacos. I'll dump this whole thing in. Like I said, that's about 1 pound. I'm going to mix this up, and I'm going to cook this till you get some of the flavor on here, probably 5 minutes, give or take, and that'll be that. All right, it's ready to go. I just wanted to mention that I did season throughout with a little bit of salt and pepper. In total, there's maybe a teaspoon of each, but do that to your taste. And remember that corned beef is got some saltiness to it. With that said, I've got corn tortilla, taco shell. And I'm just going to take a nice little scoop. Don't want to get too much. Add 1 more. The nice thing about these little ones is you don't have to feel guilty because you had more than one taco. To that, I have some fresh Swiss cheese that I've just grated up. Alright, now if you want to go Reuben style, use some Thousand Island dressing and just put a little bit on. It's not going to take a whole lot. Okay, so that should be good if you like it Reuben style. If you want to stay more towards the Irish side, I've got some mustard. This happens to be Dijon mustard. And just again, just a little bit. That's really all there is to it. 2 very delicious looking, what I call Irish tacos. So this little mashup is in honor of St. Patrick's Day, but you can do this any day of the week. You know the drills. Give this a try. Switch it up. Maybe throw some sauerkraut in there if you really like the Reuben side. But just let me know what you make for your substitutions. Otherwise, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like. Comments down below. Check back for that next video. And as always, take care.